What's up, guys? Making another update. So took off the tires on my brother's mini bike. I'm right here, and we're gonna be taking them to the tire shop. I'm gonna be swapping those out. We're gonna put these on, some street tires. And I'm also taking the other extra set I have. These. Just gonna take those off. I'm gonna have them ready when I get the other tires in. I'm gonna be ordering another set, probably some street tires or off-road style. So I'm gonna get that going, and then I'm also taking these tires as well. Those are gonna be for the go-kart. I just brought the go-kart right now. I have it in the driveway, so we're gonna be taking those tires off too. I'm gonna be taking them to the tire shop to get those new tires in. And I'm gonna make some videos on the go-kart as well, guys. It'll be another project.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
To get a hold of yourself.
Giving you guys an update. Put the tires in on the Motovox. We're gonna go test it out. Keep you guys updated.
Come and check.
Real good.
Giving you guys another update on my brother's mini bike. So we upgraded the brakes. Instead of the cable, we went hydraulic. So I know a lot of people, what they do, they cut the bracket and flip it. What I did here is I took off the old little bracket from this one, from the steel brake, and then I cut the little piece over here, and then the other one over on this side, and then I drilled the holes out instead of bolting the bolt because it wasn't catching up on this side. I just drilled them out a little bigger and just put some new hardware instead of the Allen key ones, a little longer ones. And then I put a little spacer here. And then on this side over here, on this side, I put a little plastic washer. So that's how I did it. And then I'm just gonna finish installing it. And then tomorrow after work, I'm gonna test drive it and see how it performs, and I'll give you guys an update on that. See you guys on the next one.
Nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.